In this video, we hike around the Monte Sano Nature Preserve, which is part of the Land Trust of North Alabama. The Land Trust consists of 9 preserves around the area. We'll put a link in the description below where you can get more information and download hiking maps for each of the preserves. The Monte Sano Nature Preserve has multiple trailheads and parking areas. For this hike, we started at the Oak Park trailhead and did about a 7.4 mile hike. The trails are well marked throughout the preserve, but it's always a great idea to have either a map or a hiking app just in case you're not familiar with the area. The trails in this area are multi-use, so you will see other hikers, trail runners, and mountain bikers on the trail. We even came across some large and fresh trash panda tracks on the trail. It's really hard to believe that this is all just 6 minutes from downtown Huntsville, so we hope you get the opportunity to get out and explore this area. And as always, we hope you like the video and subscribe to follow our adventures, and we'll see you out there getting fresh air.